You've probably asked yourself, can I actually withdraw my money from Uphold? It's a question that echoes in the minds of many using this versatile platform, and for good reason. In the exciting, sometimes volatile, world of cryptocurrency and digital assets, the ability to access your funds when you need them is paramount. We're not talking about some obscure altcoin exchange here. Uphold positions itself as a streamlined gateway to a multitude of assets, from Bitcoin and Ethereum to precious metals and even traditional currencies. But beneath the sleek interface and impressive array of options lies the fundamental question: when push comes to shove, can you get your cash out? Let's be honest, the allure of Uphold is undeniable. It promises simplicity, diversification, and a user-friendly experience. You can seamlessly convert between different assets, buy crypto with a debit card, and even link various payment methods. It's like a digital Swiss Army knife for your finances. But the true test of any financial platform isn't just how easy it is to put money in, but how straightforward it is to take it out. There's a lingering concern for many users, perhaps stemming from past experiences with less reputable platforms, or simply the inherent complexity of the digital asset landscape. Is there a catch? Are there hidden fees? What about withdrawal limits or processing times? These are all valid concerns that deserve a clear, concise answer. So, let's cut to the chase. Yes, you absolutely can withdraw your money from Uphold. It's not a one-way street where your funds get locked in. However, the process isn't always as simple as clicking a single withdraw button, and it often depends on the specific asset you're trying to withdraw and your location. Think of it less like an ATM and more like a carefully regulated financial institution with various options available. Generally, your primary withdrawal options on Uphold revolve around sending funds to your linked bank account, withdrawing cryptocurrency to an external wallet, or, in some cases, using supported third-party services. For fiat currency withdrawals, like USD, Euro, GBP, you'll typically link your bank account. Uphold uses ACH transfers for USD in the US and SEPA for Euro in Europe, among other local transfer methods. These are generally reliable, but do have processing times that can range from a few business days to a week, depending on your bank and location. It's crucial that the bank account you link is in your name, matching your Uphold account details, to avoid any compliance issues or delays. When it comes to cryptocurrency, you have the flexibility to withdraw your crypto to an external wallet. This is particularly useful if you want to self-custody your assets or transfer them to another exchange. Be mindful of network fees associated with these transactions, as they vary depending on the specific cryptocurrency and current network congestion. Always double-check the recipient address. A single incorrect character can result in irreversible loss of funds. It's also important to be aware of Uphold's verification tiers. To access higher withdrawal limits and broader withdrawal options, you'll need to complete their Know Your Customer (KYC) process, which typically involves providing identification documents. This is a standard security measure across regulated financial platforms. Additionally, keep an eye on any daily or monthly withdrawal limits that Uphold may impose, as these can vary based on your verification level and the asset in question. In summary, withdrawing funds from Uphold is definitely possible and is a core function of the platform. The key is understanding the different methods available for various assets, being aware of potential processing times and fees, and ensuring your account is fully verified. Don't be deterred by the initial complexities. With a little understanding, you'll find the process quite manageable. With that said, thanks for watching, and until next time.